हेलो फ्रेंड्स, तो कैसे हैं आप सब। आज मैं आप सबको आपके पीसी पर गूगल क्रोम ब्राउज़र पर एड ब्लॉक करना सिखाऊंगा। सो जस्ट ओपन योर ब्राउज़र एंड नाउ सर्च इट फॉर गूगल वेब स्टोर। Google Web Store, then enter, then click on this https chrome.google.com link. Now search it for ad block for Google Chrome, then enter it. Now click on this ad block for Chrome. Then download this extension to your browser. Click on add to Chrome. Then add extension. Now after that, your ad blocker has been added to your browser. Just review its settings and follow the steps that I am doing. Then open new tab and click on this extension icon on the top right corner. Then manage extension, click on manage extension. Then here it is, your extension of ad block for Chrome. Then pin it. And after this, you won't be able to see any of your ads in your Google Chrome browser. I am giving this extensions link in the description box below. So I hope you all like my video and understood it very well how to add extension of ad block for Chrome in your Google Chrome browser easily. Thank you for watching and supporting me.